So I come up with a new challenge. In order to make $2,500 per month, $2,500 per month, I have to make $85 every single day. This new system I developed, not developed, it's the same system, but I want to do it in a different way. So basically what I talk about in previous video is selling PLR ebooks on eBay, Amazon, Payhip and Gumroad. Lots of people said, oh, they can't sell it on eBay, Payhip don't allow that. Yes, Payhip don't allow that, but lots of people are selling on Payhip or on Gumroad. On eBay, there's a listing errors. Some of the countries eBay not allowed, PayPal there is not allowed for the transaction. So what I did, I come up with a new way to make money by selling these ebooks online. So the new way and how I set it up and how I'm gonna make money and how I gonna earn that to $85 per day task, and in order to make $2,500 per month. So continue to watch the video how I'm gonna set it up everything. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, don't forget to like our videos. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, watch the video until the end. Also, we make videos on money making, money saving and tutorials. We upload one video every other day, so don't forget to subscribe and like our video. So last week I stumbled on this website called sales.com. It's similar to the Shopify.com, where you can create your own e-commerce site on this website. It's a little bit different from Shopify, but it's a lot more easier if you are beginner. Again, it is not free. It is a paid version. Every month you have to pay a subscription fee, which is around $29 per month. There's a different plans are there, so you can go and check it out, but they give you 7-day free trial when you start it up. So what is this website is about? You can sell actual digital and physical and services online. You can just simple, I'm going to show you everything inside. So it's a simple website where you can add your product, do the SEO. You can do the organic SEO with this website. Along with, you can add your product to your own marketing place like Facebook, Instagram and Google, where you can promote. Or if you have already WordPress website, you can integrate sales.com with WordPress, where you can sell your own ebook or your digital or any other physical product with them. I'm going to show you everything how you can make money from this website. So this is a basic idea of the website. So you can go and change it out. You can see you can sell online store, existing website and the social channels. You can integrate with Facebook and Instagram here. And you can see sell digital product. You can sell ebooks, live sessions, videos, softwares, and sales digital downloads. So if you are selling printables, you can sell it on here. You can create your own brand. The main reason of this video is creating your own brand. Instead of going with eBay or any other platform, you can pay the fees for them. There are some rules and regulations. They won't allow PLR ebook. So with this website, you can build your own e-commerce site and you can make money out of it. So this website is called sales.com. Go and create a free account with them. I already did that. This is my dashboard. It's gonna look like. So I already add a couple of products. That's why adding new product won't show up here. These are the sections you can go customize your store, customize your buy button, configure the shipping. If you are selling a digital product, there's no shipping for that, so don't worry about that. You can set up the store domain. Again, you can sell with custom domain with them, sales.com. You can integrate with your website or social media, or you can integrate with your own domain and use this as a separate brand. And this is configured with the taxes and everything. Now here, if you go to section here called store, and you can see, if you click themes, there's a lots of free themes available here that you can integrate with your store. If you're selling a digital product, you can build a website like Amazon, because there's a themes here are completely free. You can see these themes are different themes for different product. You can say this is the theme I'm using here. Is similar to the Amazon website, like selling a digital product, but here I already choose saying published. But you can see there's a different type of themes. All of them are free, so you don't have to buy anything. So also the themes up here is free, so you can build a modern shop using this website. So if I go to my, this is my preview. I didn't complete it because I started 2 days ago. So in the fast tag, because I want to make 2500 every single month from this website. Yes, you need to invest money in order to make 2500, but the challenge begin from next month. So I only had 7 days to set up store and add product and start to promote it on all of the social media. So I'm going to show you how I did that and how much money make in the future videos. I saved up around $100 to invest in this project. So the 29 already paid for this subscription, and I have left with $70 in order to put an ad budget. So I able to make money. I believe I will be able to make money for next month in order to run this store. Okay, so you can see this is the theme they're going to look like, and these are the ebook. I already added a couple of them. I'm going to show that, but I'm going to customize everything. So in the future video, I'm going to do the full tutorial how to add and how to customize and everything. So if you come to him, they said you can see the themes. If I click blog, you can add your own blog with them, and you can grow your site, because when you add your own blog with Google SEO, you can bring organic traffic to your blog. Then from that you can turn the customer for become a paid customer from your blog to that. So you can do that, or you can go here, you can customize a button widgets. And if you click WordPress here, if you have already existing WordPress, so for example you have a blog, or you say for example you write a blog post on make money online, or gadgets or something like that, or review site, you can integrate this one with a WordPress site. All you have to do, go to download a plugin from WordPress site and install that and integrate with this one. So if you click this one for marketplace, where I talk about Facebook, Instagram and Google Shopping. So if I click Instagram, all you have to do is add your product, then you got to integrate with Instagram account, where you can spend ad budget, then you're going to promote your Instagram post. From the post you can travel traffic to the sales.com, where you can earn money from it. So you can see these are how they easily give this. You have to connect the Facebook account with them, that's it. Then you can follow the each simple step how you can integrate with Instagram, how to post and everything. They will tell you about that. So I will make a video in the future about that. This is a simple video that I want to make about sales.com. So this is a thing. And if I go to bottom here at the top, there's a called item here, and click all. These are the all item I added in the store at the moment. So like I said, so I only have 7 days. I plan to add 200 different ebooks on here, and they can put different category ebook, not specific to one. So 200 different ebooks are going to add it and going to publish that website on all of the social media. Let's see what happened, because it's nothing unheard. I'm going to spend $100, and if not working, I'm going to stop that and move on with that. So you can see these are the product added by organic view. I get 1 views. I didn't even do that, but organic views is getting from that. So for example, if you want to publish in the book, click this one called add item, and it will ask you is it a physical product or digital or service. And if you click a digital product, it will take to your listing. So you need to add the product that you want. So what you have to do is go to your IDPL account. This is the ebook I want to add it. So if I copy this title here, copy that and go to your listing and put it on the title here. Then again, you don't have to write the description, just copy the description from PLR website, but read the title and the description. What is this book about? Because I'm going to show you why is that important. So copy and paste it on here. After you done that, you can put the price. So for example, I want to go with $4.99, or you can go with free, but PLR books you can give away for the free, so you need to charge at least some amount of money. And this original price I can go with $14.99. And if you click this one, pay what you want, the customer design, they can say pay $1, they whatever they can pay for your ebook. So don't click that one. So there's inventory is unlimited because it's a digital download. On here you need to drag and drop your file here. You can upload up to 15 gigabyte file per listing, so don't worry about that. You can click here and add, and if you click this one image, you can add image, or you can add videos, and or you can add a video from YouTube on here. After you done that, click save button here. Then if you go to the top of the page, you can select the category of the ebook. You have to go to this section here, category, to set it up. So you can select one from here. If you are selling own digital products, you can set up a license key for each of the customers, so they can, some of them can't store the ebook, so the digital product. So you can do that for this ebook. Because I'm selling ebook, I don't have any license key for that. This is the final part called SEO. If you click that, if you go to bottom, it will, if you put this one on the title, right? So the title automatically pull that. So what you have to do, Udemy have become a huge platform and receiving a huge. So for example, if you want to put this as a meta description, so copy that, go to SEO, and this already is title, put it automatically for you on the meta description. Put that and join this part here. And if you see on here, the meta description is right about what is this ebook about. So whenever people write Udemy ebook or Udemy guide, something like that, your ebook comes to the search engine because you do the organic SEO with them, and click save. Then after that, that's it guys. All you have to do is list as much as the ebook or whatever the product that you want to sell, do the SEO with them. So this is simple, just put the best title and a meta description, and after that you can integrate it with any marketplace that you want and start the sales. When you promote, again, if you want to make $100 per day, you can do it by watching videos, doing surveys, and promoting affiliate offers. You can make $100 per day without spending any money at all. But if you want to make $2,500 per month, which is a big money, again, if you want to make it from one source like this one, you need to spend money in order to make money. So like I said, this is $100 budget, already 29 is spent it on subscription, 70 is left for to in order to advertise. So I had to pick which marketplace. I had to go with Google, or I had to go with Instagram, or I had to go with the Facebook. But look and see from here on the ebook, there's a trend always is going up and is staying the same. If you see an audience inside, I don't know how to use it because I learned Facebook inside. There's around 150 million people interested on ebook alone, world, 3 countries, USA, UK, and India. But here the Google Trend show the entire world map. So this is always trend for ebooks. People want to learn something about that. So you can, there's a 2-way. You can download PLR ebooks and sell it on your own website like here, or you can create your own ebook and sell it on here, integrate this one with your WordPress site, so this one can manage your payment with them. There's no listing fee, there's only fee for the transaction fee happen in the when you receive the package. I think it's the 5% for each transaction. If you have the bigger package, bigger plan, there's the transaction fee is lower. For the starter package is 5% for each item you sold. That's it guys. So if you want to join sales.com, there's a link in the description. This is a simple video. I want to make it for you guys. In the future I will make an entire tutorials and my process and how much profit or sales I make through the website. Thanks guys for watching. There's a links in the description, go and check it out if you want to join with sales.com. Start your 7-day free trial with them. Until that, have a good day. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, don't forget to like our videos, and write in the comment section, I like this video, put your PayPal address. I will pick a winner when this video get 100 likes. Until that, see you next video guys.